This video shows you how to set up and get started using the BOBS system. For more detailed information, please see the complete BOBS user manual on our website. Start by connecting the power cables to the backside of the BOBS and GMS instrument and to a grounded outlet. If you're using the pH meter, connect the power cable to the pH meter as well. Now connect the USB cables from the GMS and pH meter to their designated USB ports on the back side of the BOBS instrument. Then connect the BOBS to a USB port on your PC. Supply nitrogen, CO2 and oxygen gas by connecting gas tubing to the blue gas inlet ports on the back of the GMS. Connect the orange gas out port to the gas in on the back of the BOBS. Attach a piece of tubing to the gas out on the front of the BOBS if necessary. Remove the sample holder from the BOBS instrument. Apply a sample onto the middle of the glass sample holder and insert the holder back into the BOBS instrument and tighten the screws. Open the BOBS software. After you have connected your preferred instruments in the Devices menu and have performed the required calibrations, you can start an experiment. For demonstration purposes, we will choose the manual experiment type, but running an automated stepwise protocol file is more efficient for real experiments. You can view the current spectrum in the Spectrum tab. The gas mix and flow can be changed at the bottom of the screen in the Settings panel. The current gas flow is displayed in the two data panels. Click on each tab to find more information. Click Stop Experiment to end the current experiment. The experiment data can now be analyzed in the Analysis tab from the main menu.